Okay, now we're going to move on to problem solving. So it's going to mean a lot of word problems that we're going to deal with, but the idea and the concepts are similar to what we've been doing. So far we've been given all the equations and we were just asked to solve. But now what's going to take most of our time is to create that equation according to what we are reading. So here's the 5 steps for problem solving, and then we'll do a few examples to go through the entire process together. So the first one is to familiarize yourself with the problem situation. Read the question carefully and then do whatever it takes for you to understand what is being asked and also all the given information. So that can be you're either creating a drawing, you're assigning variables, you make a list, chart, table, or you're guessing and checking to estimate the answer. So there's multiple things that can go under step 1, and it'll vary from problem to problem, and we'll look through as we go through some examples. The second part is to translate to mathematical language or symbolism, meaning let's come up with an equation or an expression or something that we can manipulate to get to the solution. And once again, this will depend on the problem that we're working on. Then step 3, carry out some type of mathematical procedure. So the limitations for this section is going to be pretty much solving linear equations, and then we'll see if it makes sense or not. But as we progress on to different types, we'll have to consider several different types of equations. And then number 4, check to see whether your possible solution actually fits the problem situation. This is a key one. You need to, once you have an answer, you need to make sure that it makes sense in terms of the problem. So for instance, if we're doing a distance problem and your solution at the end says a distance of -2, does that make any sense? Should you be getting negative distance? What does that mean? And knowing that distance is always positive, because we don't have that sense of direction when we're just saying distance. We have to say which way it's going. Just whenever you get the answer, make sure that it's something that can be a solution. And then lastly, state the answer clearly using a complete sentence. So whatever you are being asked, make sure you're answering the question in terms of the context that was given. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some problems in the next video.